In this video, we are going to have a look at the possibility of hyperactive content and the built-in custom behavior. In the last video, we have looked at visibility changes, and this is good if you want to hide something immediately or display a complete group immediately or hide it immediately. But what if you want to leverage the advantages of animation? This can also be done pretty easily. Each time a counter or a variable, a custom data variable is updated in Hype, this variable will trigger a custom behavior. On a scene panel all the way down here, or inside of symbols, you can also listen to custom behavior. So let's add a listener, and this listener would be counter. And in this case, we don't use expressions because they can't be evaluated. They are really just listeners. That's why I chose to use plain English. You put the name of the variable, then you put a space, and then you write equals. Now you can write whatever you want to compare against. Be aware that strings have to be in double quotes, and numbers and booleans can be just written out. In this case, let's say if the number is equal to, and this is now our behavior. So what do we want to do? Let's first create a new timeline, and let's call this turn. It could be called anything. You can do anything. I'm just using a timeline for demonstration purposes. And let's go to the 1 second range, and let's turn this thing 360 degrees. So now we have a little animation going, and this animation should only be triggered by our counter equals 2. So now we could say, please start a timeline, and the timeline name is turn. It's already set up because we are in the timeline. Okay, that's all we have to do. Now let's preview it. We're at 1. The moment I increase 2, this red circle would appear, and also the animation should be triggered. So there you go.